It's TJ, and we are in the brooder shed, and we just got our second animals for Tipton Family Farm. And don't forget to subscribe, press the bell for notification. Let me show you what we got. You're going to be excited like I am. Okay, this is what we got. We got us some baby guineas. 5 baby guineas. We're putting them in the brooder right here. Now we're going to have to make another brooder because we just don't have enough. We got 20 chicks coming in. We got 23 chicks coming in. 12 ducklings. And then we got these guineas. And I'm thinking about getting a goose. A guard goose, yeah. So anyway, I just want to give you a little short update. This is our first batch of animals, fowls that we're getting here at Tipton Family Farm, and there are 5 little guineas. We got to find a way to be able to have access for water and food and lighting, and we're using this shed as a brooder house. And let me show you what we're about ready to do here on Tipton Family Farm. So we got our brooders in, okay? We got 5 guineas in here, which we showed you already, and then this is the second one. And in this, we have a couple of 2x4s here that's holding the building up. And we're going to put a 2x4 across the center of this, in between those 2 posts right there. Those 2 2x4s. And one in between this 2x4. And then we're going to run a beam across here where that we can make sure and hook up lights. We can put in the water. We can put in anything that we need to hang above here to keep them warm, keep them dry, make sure they're hydrated. That's what we're about ready to do. And that's just the whole scheme of it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, yes, the camera's pointing at the ground. Number one rule that you should never do is point the camera at the ground. But guess what? I did anyway. Here we go. I'm bringing you. Here we go. I'm bringing you. Here we go. Yep. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, okay. It's a Buick. But it's what's in the Buick that matters. I usually get this in my truck, but behold, from Cackle Hatchery, chicks. Now let's take a look in here. I haven't opened this up yet. I wanted to be as surprised as you all are. Watch them jump out. Look at that. Oh, little duck, little duck. Okay. Let's look on this end over here. Oh, it's little duck and chicks. Yep. So I got the paperwork to show exactly what they are, and we'll be showing you as we go here on all the different type of chicks and ducks and other things that we got today. Now, I don't know how clear you can see this, but the blue head is the black lace silver male. There's two of them. They're blue headed. The red head is the cinnamon queen female. And then we have 10 khaki Campbell ducks and 5 Rhode Island reds and the green head barred rock. I love barred rocks. Barred rock, yeah. Henry's back. And 2 khaki Campbell duck males, purple headed. So we got barred rock hens, buff Orpington. Now those are some of the best laying that I've seen. Cinnamon queen females. These have been they have been made by this company to be able to produce a lot of eggs. Khaki Campbell ducks, Rhode Island reds, barred rock male, khaki Campbell duck male. I order all my chicks. This is the third batch of chicks I've got in the last 3 years, and I get these from cacklehatchery.com. cacklehatchery.com. So let's take a look at the chicks. Okay, so we got our little chicks here. Now there's guinea and chicks in this one. These are running around eating, starting to drink out of the bucket there. We've been watching them for a little bit, for about the last 10 minutes. And I'll have to watch these guineas because they're a little bit frisky little things. You see that one pecking on the other. Then the ducks. The ducks like the warmth right now. They haven't ventured too much. I got one right here. They haven't ventured too much over here to the food and to the water, but they will. And they messy. I've heard ducks are messy. I got a goose coming. I'll probably put my goose in there with them. And then here's the other batch of chicks, and they haven't moved too much. They're just kind of socializing there, keeping warm. Now, I tell you why I like hatchery.com so much is because I have had 3 batches. This is my 3rd batch, so 2 other batches of chicks, and out of all of those batches, I've only had 1 die. Only 1 die. So I really do, they do a really good job. Alright. Well, we'll let them be. I don't handle them for 2 days. For 2 days, I won't touch them. For 2 days, I won't play with them. Triplets are already wanting to play with them. But for 2 days, we leave them alone. Kind of let them get stabilized. We'll be in here about every 2 or 3 hours, making sure that the temperature is what it's supposed to be. Having fun, fun, fun. Tipton Family Farm.